First we will do multiplication, so let me copy integral symbol, and we will have 2 times x to power 4 plus 14x. Our integral is with respect to x. This is equal. We have integral of sum, so we can rewrite to sum of integrals. It will be integral of 2 times x to power 4 with respect to x plus integral of 14x with respect to x. This is equal. We will use the following formula. Integral of x to power n with respect to x is equal x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant c. We always add constant when we have indefinite integral. So this formula is for n different than -1. We have 2 times x to 4th power. So first we have to copy constant number. We have 2 and n is equal 4 in first integral. So we will have x to power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c1 plus, now we have to take first constant number, so we will have 14 and we have x to first power, so it will be x to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, and we will add c2 because we have second integral. So this is equal. We have 2 times x to 5th power over 5. Next I will put expression with x, so will be plus 14 x squared over 2, and we can write now plus, instead of c1 and c2 we can write c. This is equal. We can change this to 2 over 5 times x to power 5th plus 14 and 2 we can reduce, will be 7x squared plus c. This is my solution.